Hey guys, good morning. Andy here with Expert Renovation. So we've been in a cycle of endless rain. So we're trying to knock out some indoor projects we've had scheduled. It's another one of our longtime customers. We've re-roofed the house, remodeled the kitchen. Today we're going to be finishing out the steps down to their unfinished basement. This was a new construction house. We're going to be doing some yellow pine D-treads with 1x8 fir risers. Client's going to be putting carpet over these. Here's our work area. They've had it like this since they built the house, and it's just time to upgrade it, get things finished down here. How we like to do it is start at the bottom. You'll save yourself a lot of grief using a Sawzall to cut loose these old construction treads, and you reduce the risk of splintering your stringers. So that's what we do. I like to install using any kind of polyurethane product. Liquid nail is great. We've got cases of MP1 around from the roof, so it's also a good adhesive that moves under the tread. It's impossible to get treads to stay completely tight. If you use a polyurethane adhesive, it gives the tread some movement and also keeps it quiet. We're putting them on with 2.5-inch galvanized nails. We may run some screws in as needed. But again, this is going to be a carpeted stair tread. We'll put a handrail on the wall, do a finished metal rail out here, and that will be the job. So we're going to get started. Save yourself a lot of grief if you've got a local building supplier wholesaler. These treads are available in 14-foot lengths. Huge savings and a lot more adaptable to conditions than just buying the 4-foot ones at Lowe's. Thanks for watching. We can help you out with any kind of carpentry project. Please give us a call, 478-501-0102. Thanks for watching.